So today we're going to be fitting a run-up. There's a template we made previously. It's going to go up here, straight to the back wall. So we've got all the grippers down now on the straight stairs. We'll put big wire gripper in a minute. So basically what we've done is we've come 15 centimetres off the side of each stringer. And now we're going to put the underlay on. Once the underlay's all on, we'll show you what it looks like, and then we'll show you the finish once it's fitted. So the underlays down on the straight stairs. We're going to put these down first. And then we'll do the wires. We'll show you what this looks like. It's very difficult to take fitting on these because it's so narrow. We're not getting any proper coverage of fitting. So once we've got this down, we'll show you what it looks like. So this is what we're doing. We're doing a Hollywood style fit on this. So we're gonna just make sure that we're nice and straight still, which we are. That's right. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to get this into place again. So I'm going to get my bolster, just push gently onto the gripper. Check again. So we'll take off again. Just come over a little bit this way. There we go. One and a half. See what we're going to do. The other side.
Oh, sorry, hang on.
That's it. And then what we'll do is we'll show you once these are all fitted. That's pretty much. So this is the finish of this job. Catch you on the next one.